Let's go to the veggie patch, hooray, ray. See what's growing fresh today, today. Carrots in the ground so deep, crunchy roots we love to eat. Let's go to the veggie patch, hooray, hooray. Tomatoes red and round and bright, oh wow. Hanging on the vine right now, right now. Juicy bites for every plate, in the salad they taste great. Tomatoes red and round and bright, oh wow. Broccoli looks like tiny trees, you see. So much green and good for me, for me. Steam it, roast it, crunch it raw. It's the coolest thing I saw. Broccoli looks like tiny trees, you see. Corn is yellow, tall and sweet, let's cheer. Popping kernels we all hear so clear. On the cob or in a pot, butter makes it taste so hot. Corn skittles that beneath look tall and cheer. Potatoes hide beneath the dirt, they do. Brown and round or red and blue. Mash them, fry them, bake a pie. They're a treat you can't deny. Potatoes hide beneath the dirt, they do. Bell peppers green and red and gold, oh yes. Crunchy, juicy, what a mess. Slice them up or stuff them full. Bell peppers are never dull. Bell peppers green and red and gold, oh yes. Onions grow with layers tight, just right. White or purple, strong and bite. Chop them slow, they make you cry. But they flavor every fry. Onions grow with layers tight, just right. Lettuce, leaves and spinach too, so green. Full of power and so clean. Put them in your sandwich stack. Veggie leaves will bring strength back. Lettuce, leaves and spinach too, so green. Eggplants purple, big and bold, oh my. Shiny skin that meets the eye. Bake it, grill